welcome to Appetite for the Outdoors. I'm Chef Paul Rhodes, and we're cooking with Carolina Cooker today, and we're using the single burner fryer. And it's a beautiful day outside here. We're doing a Southern classic. We're doing our take on the fried green tomato. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna take our mayo. We're just gonna add it here into the bowl. We're gonna start adding everything in. Very simple, just put everything into the bowl. So we got garlic, jalapeños for a little kick, parsley for a little more color, Carolina Cooker hot sauce, of course, our Southern sunshine sauce. And then all you do is just mix that thing up. All right, so we're just gonna set that over here to the side. Take this bread flour, we're gonna go ahead and do our egg. We're just gonna continue to do this with every single tomato you have. After you've got everything breaded, you're gonna wanna make sure that your fryer is about 350 degrees. Put those in one at a time. So we've got the tomatoes, they're nice golden brown. Most of them are floating, so we're gonna go ahead and just pull them out of the oil. We're gonna let them sit there and kind of drain out a little bit before we put them on the plate. Last thing you want is to put them on a plate and then get soggy from the grease. Fried green tomatoes, nice golden brown, nice and crispy, right out of the fryer. Great dish, summertime dish, seasonal availability, so you only get it for a limited time. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and we will see you all here next time.